for a nice walk and a nice bit of nature observation here. Then you got a young robin, kind of a set of fly, not all the way. It's not sure and nervous what to do. We won't hurt you. How's your day? Just exploring? So are we. But my puppy is oblivious to your presence, so you're safe. Bye.
Morning, the 11's on. And good morning, number 11 is on.
A confused but beautiful American Goldfinch trying to do something with my mirror and my antenna. Don't know what, but it's a nice visit. He won't like it when I turn on my engine, but that's not for a while. So do your thing, whatever that is.
I have calls for 14.
Yeah, there he goes again.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, I guess he sees himself. I think he's got a friend or a girlfriend there.
No, I'm just calling someone that has a one.
Come on, blow her out, bro.
I suggest you go to the left, not just straight. I think the babies have the right idea. Come on, mommy. Follow your smarter child.